Welcome back to the channel of Car Compass. Today, we venture into truly uncharted territory for the world of ultra-luxury travel as we explore the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome RV, a coach-built masterpiece that reimagines grand touring comfort on 4 colossal wheels. Imagine the serenity of a Phantom combined with the freedom of a top-tier expedition rig, and you have the basic idea of what Rolls-Royce's Bespoke collective has brought to life. Externally, the motorhome project's unmistakable presence with a hand-beaten aluminum superstructure draped in two-tone crystal over glacier paint, coach lines applied by a single master artisan, and the spirit of ecstasy rendered in illuminated polycarbonate to meet tall vehicle regulations. Riding on an extended architecture of luxury ladder-boxed chassis, the RV measures just over 32 feet, yet retains the marque's trademark magic carpet ride, thanks to a self-leveling air suspension, with predictive road-scanning dampers. Retractable side skirts conceal 24-inch polished alloy wheels shod in run-flat all-season touring rubber, selected specifically to lower road noise to a barely audible 58 decibels at 70 millimeters. Under the sculpted nose resides Rolls-Royce's latest 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12, tuned for a relaxed 625 horsepower and 760 pound-feet of torque delivered through an 8-speed satellite-aided transmission. A 150-kilowatt motor is sandwiched between engine and gearbox, creating a mild hybrid setup that enables silent, low-speed maneuvering around campsites and urban zones while smoothing throttle transitions on the open highway. The result is a surprising 0-60 mph dash in 6.5 seconds, remarkable for a vehicle tipping the scales at 9,800 pounds and an electronically limited top speed of 108 mph. Adaptive rear axle steering trims the turning circle by nearly 3 feet, vital when threading the motorhome through marina parking lots or narrow vineyard lanes. Step through the automatically deploying gull-wing side door, and you enter what Rolls-Royce calls the Grand Suite. Burmese teak underfoot is contrasted by cashmere woven bulkhead panels, while the ceiling adopts the brand's Starlight headliner concept, expanded into a full-length celestial panorama controllable via voice command. A pair of bespoke captain's thrones swivel to face a modular lounge fitted with a motorized pop-up 55-inch OLED display and a champagne chiller carved from a single block of Carrara-marble. At the aft, a spa-style wet room features onyx tile, a rainfall shower and self-drying hydrophobic surfaces. The galley hides induction cooktops, a sub-counter freezer, and crystal glassware secured in magnetized recesses. Sleeping accommodations include a queen-size Serenity bed with active temperature management, plus an automatically deploying SkyDeck, a hydraulic rooftop terrace with heated teak flooring, integrated loungers, and a pinion gear awning that unfurls, a silk canopy at the touch of the spirit of ecstasy key fob. Connectivity and safety are handled by a tri-band 5G satellite router, LiDAR-based driver assistance calibrated for the RV's dimensions, and a 360-degree drone camera that can launch autonomously to scout tight trail sections ahead. Solar cells laminated into the roof generate up to 2.5 kilowatts, feeding a 25 kilowatt-hour lithium-sulfur battery bank that powers all hotel functions for 2 full days off-grid. An optional hydrogen fuel cell auxiliary power unit extends that autonomy to nearly a week without shore power. Rolls-Royce will open order books globally in late 2025, with first deliveries slated for the third quarter of 2026. Production will be extremely limited. Analysts predict no more than 75 examples over 3 years, each reflecting its owner's exact preferences through the marque's near-limitless bespoke program. Indicative pricing starts at approximately $2.5 million before personalization, positioning the motorhome not merely as transportation, but as a rolling private sanctuary rivaling the finest superyachts and penthouses. If you seek unparalleled, Refinement while chasing horizons, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome RV may just redefine what road travel can be. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about this extraordinary machine, remember to like the video, share your thoughts below, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more automotive luxury adventures here on Car Compass.